Hey, it's Brad from Sun Outdoors. Today we are making an Espresso Martini. We're gonna start with all our ingredients in a tin, 1 ounce of Grey Goose, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, and then we're gonna do 1 ounce of cold brew coffee. We're gonna take that and shake it, and the really important thing on this one is to shake the hell out of it. We really wanna aerate that and get some good foam going. Shake it for about 5 seconds very vigorously, and then we're gonna strain that into a martini or a coupe, and we're gonna top this guy with a couple coffee beans. And if we've done our job correctly, those coffee beans will directly sit on top. Espresso Martini, Sun Outdoors. Cheers.